Hey guys, it's Zamokuhle here and welcome back to my channel Cooosh. In today's video I am at the Unbreakable boutique hotel in Sandton. I'm at the book review of Somizi Mhlongo Dominoes hosted by AWM. Let's get to hear more about the book.
I enjoyed the book because purely because
You love him?
No, well, I do love him, but I can relate. I can relate to one day not actually having money in your bank account or in your bag, and this is all you have, and you need to actually make means of survival just with that small little amount of money. He says that was the most difficult time in his life. He just decided to ostracize himself completely from society. He just got along with some other woman. I forgot the woman's name. That was really understanding of his situation. So easy, guys. And then he invited some guy to his house. They had sex. After having sex, this guy Wahama knew what that was the last time he saw his Land Rover.
Oh no.
He says he's vanished out of the face of the earth. He never have to be seen ever again. That's when he didn't have any sort of income. The BMW, I think, was repossessed, so he only had that Land Rover. So he was carless, and then he had to go with his car that he didn't really have insurance for as well because he didn't have money. He got his lucky break during the Confederations Cup. During the Confederations Cup, then that's when they actually called him to come and do the choreography.
One of the ladies. I'm a singer.
That's so nice. He says when Lila invited him to come and do the choreography for her live DVD, that's when he actually came to a realization of a lot of things, and that's when he actually woke up from that bad situation that he was in. He speaks about lifestyle in Joburg, the lifestyle that they used to live previously, and these young celebrities. He talks a lot about Casper Nyong'o, that he's got a good head on his shoulders. As young as he is, he's not just a musician. He's a businessman. And he says, you know what? I'm probably one of the top 5 earners, celebrity earners, and top 5 celebrities as a whole. But he is still grounded in everything that he is. And yeah, he says he believes in God. He also believes in Zamokuhle.
It's a good book.
It's a good book, guys.
It's a good book, I enjoy it.
I know that Somizi, he's all fun and laughter, but if you read his story, trust me, as a black person, you'll be able to relate. I mean, even he talks about the Soweto uprising. I knew there was a curfew, but the little details about what was happening at that time, I learned something from it. The curfew is at 7 o'clock. You know, I didn't know the curfew is at 7 o'clock. He says right now he keeps his circle very, very small because in the past, people were you could never trust anybody, but because now he's grown up, he knows who are his true friends and who are not his true friends. He says he knows a lot of people, but doesn't mean that those people are actually his friends.
I must say, when I was told that this is the book I'm going to review, I didn't understand. I was like, no! Because I was like, really? Who came up with this book? Like the people. After that, I decided to exercise my open-mindedness. It's one thing that I appreciated is I can really relate with that story about the 11 rand giblets. When you are down and down and down and up, and you don't even know how the heck you are going to get up, or who's going to help you get up. It's so dark and so bleak. I was in a very similar situation, and that's when the power of just one bridge. I appreciated one bridge.
Yes.
And I never thought in my life that I would see one bridge this big. You know, when in that situation where all your life you just had everything is just, oh yeah, of course. And I used to be so judgmental of people. No, I don't have data, or I don't have airtime. I always understand those kind of people. Who doesn't have data all the time? Until that experience humbled me.
Yep.
So one thing I admire about him is that in as much as he was down and out, he not only rose above it, but he went to become one of the greatest superstars of our time in this country. Even if you don't like him, you cannot ignore him.
Yeah, he's there.
And you cannot deny his success in his field.
I must say I enjoyed the book. And for me, it wasn't the best written book ever. But it's very easy to read. I could relate to it. You know, when you read, you almost get lost in it. You can like see the streets, you can smell the dust, that hype on weekends and the noise from your neighbors. It was very real. I think being lost in a book where you have to make things up. So for me, that was it. And I admire Somizi for fighting through it all, because many a times everybody has challenges, but very few ever arise from challenges. And I like the fact that he actually put it in a book. And for me, it's to acknowledge him that he didn't go to school, but because he had a passion for the arts and he did it so well, he's been able to actually make a living out of it. And I think for me, being a parent and a mother, I always support my child regardless of what they want, just as long as they're passionate about it. I would never say to my daughter, go study medicine. I'm like, follow your passion. And to me, that's what I took out.
I think I also enjoyed the book. I was actually shocked that he wanted to write it for a very long time, but it wasn't the right time to actually release it. So I was actually shocked that it's not something that was sudden. He actually didn't want to write a book, so I was shocked to read that in the book that it wasn't the right time. So now it's the right time because obviously his door opened. And I can relate. I think I enjoyed the book because all of us go through struggles, like you say. But it's nice to wait for your turn to actually get that breakthrough, that door to open. So I think I also saw persistence as a persistent guy. He never ever gave up, like you say. So I think thanks for me, I was shocked actually. I read it in 2 days. I was shocked, guys. Actually, I was sad. I was like, am I reading it too fast? I even tried to slow down. Like, okay. but it was a nice break as well in terms of the books that we read and learn. It was nice to get something that was quick also and easy to read. So thank you very much for the variety. I think I was also like, this book is fun. Thank you very much, guys.
What I love about his book is it's you know the things that he went through, of which some of us went through them, and the fact that he never gave up and he never shown people out there that he was out and down, as people were saying. He was always going out, putting the smile on his face as if everything is right, of which is very difficult to do. He managed to keep himself. He managed to be Somizi as Somizi. So I think that also helped him to bounce back, because if he could have stayed down and listen to what the media say, listen to all these negative talks, it could have been the downfall, and he could have died probably, because he was going to be more depressed and focusing on negative things, you know. So I admire him for that.
Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button right down below, as well as subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.